The heat is on, and so are the sizes of eggs that shrink when the mercury shoots up. Our Clazel Pardilia enlightens us even more on the relation of heat to egg size and price, plus the cost of pork on the rise in this report.
Melissa is looking for large eggs for her children's breakfast. However, the majority of eggs available at the stalls in Commonwealth Market are small, ranging in size from double extra small to large.
Maliit nga siya, parang gusto mong tumipid, kaso lang, pag niluto mo siya, bitin. Siyempre, mas pipiliin mo na lang malaki kaysa mag-doble-doble ka ng luto.
The sizes of available eggs also fall short of the standard set by Jason for his cakes and cookies.
Kapag mas maliit kasi yung itlog, mas matrabaho yung sa pagkakrak ng egg. Plus yung ratio din, i-estimate.
Due to its small size, Romel's vendors tax his eggs 6 pieces for 24 pesos.
Pag tinumpok kasi, parang malaki tignan. Tsaka 4 siya isa.
Tuwing kailan lang may ganyan, sir?
Tuwing April hanggang May.
May ganyan.
Mga tag-init.
Lita uses small eggs when cooking kwek-kwek. Not only they are small, but they are also more affordable.
Dati po, nahirapan kami sa presyo ng itlog. Dati po, mahal ang presyo. Ngayon, mababa na ang presyo. Kaya, okay na po sa amin. Sok na sok sa pambinta ko kasi. Ito kasi, ang isang piraso, binibinta ko ng 15 pesos. Binagawa kong kwek-kwek.
Yung presyo nga lang medyo bumaba. Noon po yung pinakamaliit, 150. Ngayon, 120 na lang.
Sa pinakamalaki, sir?
Dati, siya, 240. Ngayon, 210 na lang.
Bakit daw po?
Marami na kasing stock ngayon.
According to the Philippine Egg Board Association, egg production has been affected by the hot weather and El Nino conditions.
Malaki po ang epekto ng sobrang init kasabay po ng El Nino. Marami pong cases ng mga heat stroke sa ating mga alagang manok. Ang epekto po nito ay bumababa din ang pagkain or feed intake ng ating mga alagang manok. Kaya ang epekto po nito ay bumababa din ang production ng itlog at yung nagkakaroon tayo ng distribution, imbalance sa distribution ng egg sizes, dumadami po yung smaller sized egg.
The Department of Agriculture explained the reduction in egg size during hot weather is a natural occurrence caused by inadequate ventilation in poultry farms. There is no cause for concern regarding the supply as it remains sufficient. Farms with controlled temperatures produce larger eggs. Despite concerns about the heat affecting pigs, the DE confirmed farm gate prices for pork remain steady. While rice prices have seen a slight increase, potentially influenced by the NFA's higher procurement price for local farmers' palay, the DA assures rice supply is ample. The agriculture sector has suffered damage amounting to nearly 4 billion pesos due to El Nino.
Yung ibang commodity ay nag-report na ng damage sila, especially yung sa high value. In terms sa rice, ay nasa mahigit 30,000 hectares pa rin yung damage nito at hindi pa rin naman ganong kalaki. Overall area damage is about 2% ng ating projected area na nataniman. In terms sa volume, it's about 1.5%. So hindi pa rin ganong kalaki at we're not seeing yung ganong kalaking significance na epekto overall dun sa productivity level natin sa produksyon ng palay.
The Department of Agriculture is seeking a budget up to 250 billion pesos for 2025 to boost production and reduce food prices. The focus of this budget allocation is on modernizing, enhancing post-harvest facilities, improving infrastructure, and expanding cold storage capabilities. Clazel Pardilia for the New and Better Philippines.